I received this product for you to try, but I'm so excited to make it part of my routine. And it comes with all these instructions, the acne healing patches, and such a great presentation of the product. Very impressive. So there are instructions on the cards, how to use them, and they look so pretty as well. Let's see. It's a clear green gel. There's no smell. I like the feeling of it. And here are the patches as well. A nice variety of different sizes.